everybody, Josh Barkey here in the MBRP garage again today. I've got the Sonata N Line behind me here. Super excited what we have on it. Perfect system from where I stand. But first, let's take a look at the stock system here. Now, this system features a front resonator, two large rear mufflers. It doesn't flow all that well. This 2.5 liter turbo engine needs to be able to breathe, and these small little 2-inch pipes don't do it. Now, it does exit into these weird geometric shapes that come out a little unlike most exhaust tips. But anyways, we've done a good job underneath the car and have come up with something that you'll be happy to listen to. Now, let's take a look underneath and show you what we've done. Now, as always, MBRP starts behind the catalytic converter. We start with a laser cut flange moving into 2.5-inch mandrel-bent tubing. Now, this tubing is held together with band clamps for easy installation and easy changing of parts if ever required. We attach to the factory hangers and we continue going straight back until we hit our Y pipe. Now, this is where we pick up a lot of the flow compared to the stock system. And from here, we move into 2 mufflers and then 4 beautiful 4.5-inch carbon fiber tips. This system here is T304 stainless steel. It's also available in aluminized steel, which come with stainless steel tips. Now, let's get this down and show you what it sounds like.